every flight under the present circumstances. Just try to maintain that as for your own safety, but at the same time, it's the general safety of your own. I wish you all the best. Please follow all the rules: social distancing, masks, quarantine, for your own safety and safety for your family. Very important. And Mumbai, as such, is facing some difficulties, as all of you know. So once you land up there, please do take care of yourself and please follow all the rules which are there. First of all, I would like to thank the Ministry of External Affairs, all other stakeholders in the Government of India for having granted permission to stranded Indian nationals in Japan to proceed home following all the regulations which have been laid down by various stakeholders in the state government and the central government. I also want to thank profusely Air India management, which has been able to provide us with flying assets which will take our fellow Indian nationals home. I'm very thankful to the government of Japan who have readily agreed to provide us all the support required in such a difficult time of pandemic to assist the stranded Indian nationals in Japan. The process of getting Indian nationals to register itself was a well thought of process, and we circulated registration forms which all the Indian nationals who you see here filled that in with the reasons given. We had to prioritize them because there were more subscriptions than the seats available on the flight. So therefore, after doing the proper screening, circulating all the required circulars and details of what to do on the flight, what to do after they get off in Mumbai. So all these things were taken into consideration. I'm very glad to tell everyone that all the Indian nationals behaved like one coherent team. This was a very cohesive team effort, which led to what you see behind me for the stranded Indian nationals to be for their destinations. मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है कि जो हमारे भारतीय नागरिक यहाँ पर फंसे हुए थे नोवेल कोरोना वायरस के इन्फेक्शन के कारण, आज पहली फ़्लाइट यहाँ से भारत जा रही है और ये फ़्लाइट टोक्यो से मुंबई जा रही है, जिसमें 223 भारतीय नागरिक जा रहे हैं और सबसे पहले मुंबई पहुँचेंगे, फिर वहाँ से 11 और राज्यों में ये जाएंगे। जो भी भारत सरकार और महाराष्ट्र सरकार के क्वारंटाइन संबंधी उनके रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, उनका सभी का पालन करेंगे और पालन करते हुए फिर वहाँ से ये अपने जो भी इनका गंतव्य है वहाँ तक जाएंगे। मैं बहुत धन्यवाद अर्पित करता हूँ विदेश मंत्रालय को, भारत के और सभी मंत्रालयों को, जिन्होंने इस पूरे मुहिम में एकजुट होकर हम लोगों का समर्थन किया। और इसी समर्थन का नतीजा आप देख रहे हैं पीछे में जो पंक्ति नज़र आ रही है, आपकी ये चेकिंग कर रहे हैं। जब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो महाराष्ट्र की राज्य सरकार है उसका संपूर्ण सहयोग मिला है और राज्य सरकारें जिनके डोमिसाइल्स इसमें जा रहे हैं उनका भी हमें भरपूर सहयोग मिला है और जिसके कारण पहली फ्लाइट यहाँ से संभव हो पाई है।
I have been here in Hokkaido in Japan for the last 1.5 years, and we were stuck here, but due to the efforts of my embassy here, Indian embassy here in Japan, we are now almost saved. We feel very relieved now, and the efforts done by embassy in Japan is great, really great. We are so happy. We are going back to India now.
We all thank the Indian embassy for all the help and whatever has been done to us. I mean, again, thank the Indian embassy and the Osaka consulate.
Very good morning. I am here at Tokyo Narita Airport and going back to India under Vande Bharat mission conducted by Government of India, and it is really very helpful for the people stranded in Japan. It is the very first flight for Mumbai. Thank you.
My name is Sandeep Gulwe. I stay here in Nishikasai, and one of the staff from embassy, they called me and they told, okay, you please go to immigration office, get it renewed. They helped us a lot, and I think this will never be forgotten, always be remembered.